Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be decorating my weekly page in my Hobonichi weeks using this beautiful kit by Lilly Blossom Designs. I do PR for her. My discount code is Bojo by Chloe 30 and you get 30% off. That is amazing. Normally stores give you about 10 or 15%, but Lilly gives you 30% off, which is great. Okay, let's open up the week and get planning. So how is everybody? Are you all okay? Are you all doing well? Are you enjoying this miserable weather? As I'm looking out the window now, it is currently raining. It's not nice today. So I'm cheering myself up by doing some videos. So let's get stuck in and start planning with this beautiful kit. This kit is called Weekend Vibes. I just really liked the colours on it. It really stood out. So yeah, no particular reason why I'm going with this, just because I liked it, that's all. So first thing I tend to do is I stick down these stickers on the side. Okay, let's move that out of the way. As we all know, I'm terrible at lining these stickers up, and I've already done it. I've already lined it up wrong. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. It's quite fiddly, especially if you've got nails on. Okay, this is where I go really quiet because I'm really concentrating. That one's not so bad. I really like the colour, and the font on this is really nice. I feel like it's quite like my font that my handwriting, what I use when I do like a bouncy cursive, which will be quite nice if I need to add anything in and I haven't got a sticker for a script. It will match my handwriting, hopefully. Okay, so far these fit really nicely. They perfectly fit in the boxes if I can stick them straight, which I haven't. Let's try that one again. How easy do they come up? Oh yeah, they come up really easy. I mean, that's gonna have to do. Right, the next thing I do is normally I'll put these down, but then I realised in order to get this strip looking seamless, I need to stick them over after. So I need to do these first. Do I want 1, 2 boxes or 3 boxes this week? I think I'm going to go with 3 boxes. I'm going to do 1 for work, 1 for meetings at work, and then I still don't know what I call that box. Life? Other things? Things that are not my job. So I use the little dots that are marked out in this planner just to follow it down. That's 1. And hopefully that should be fairly equal. Yeah, that looks good. Then I'm going to put the boxes down. To be honest, I feel like, yeah, just slightly they overlap. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just slightly over that line. So when you stick the boxes down underneath, that will make it flat. So let's start with this top one. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's very depressing. I just filmed a plan with me using my Kinball, and I did a tulips kit, and to look outside and think we're not there yet. Hopefully soon. Hopefully not too much of this miserable weather. Okay, let's clip that back in. I mean, I do quite like the sound of the rain, especially when it hits the patio. It sounds really nice. It's quite satisfying. It'd be quite nice to sit there with like a drink, like a cup of tea and a book and just chill out to the sound of rain. I suppose some people do, don't they? They listen to like YouTube clips of rain to help people fall asleep and relax. Maybe that's what I need to do. Who knows? Anyways, right, they're down now. Let's stick these boxes on next. I actually think this is the longest I've stuck to a planner system. At the minute I use this planner, my weeks, and I pretty much use this as a diary. I will just write down all things that are happening, because as much as I love my bullet journal, if I haven't planned out the months ahead, I can't write down things that are coming up. So you have to have everything planned out, which is just not realistic for me. So with this, because it's got the calendar pages, I can just make sure everything's planned out, and I can write it in, just add stickers over the top when I want to decorate it. I don't have to have it all decorated yet. But yeah, like I said in one of my previous videos, these planners are not meant to be like all arty and fancy. They are solely here so I can, this one's solely here so I can work from for work, and keep track of things that I'm doing so I know what's happening. Where that other planner that I use, my memory planner, is solely there for me to put my memories down. And then my bullet journal is what has everything else, like my tracking. It allows me to be creative if I want to do creative spreads in there or quote pages. That's what that comes in handy for. I mean, I can do that in here, but on a smaller level. But my bullet journal still allows me to have that creativity. There's a hair, or maybe something from my carpet. So now all I'm doing is I'm just sticking down these boxes. These will have work, meetings, life, I think I call that. That will go there. Then at the bottom, oh, this is quite nice. I like how we've got this one. Normally I write, I do my meal planning here, so I will plan out meals there. Maybe I could do my lunches on this one, because I'm struggling with lunches as to what to make and have. And at the minute, all I'm eating is couscous and I'm getting fed up with it. So if you have any lunch recommendations, let me know, because I'm bored of my lunch. I need something else. So that's your habit tracker box. And then this is, you can either write a nice memory about the day or whatever you'd like to write there. Okay, I assume this is like a to-do box. Maybe that can be like my top priorities for the week. To-dos can go in there. That is so wonky. Oh, hopefully it comes off all right. Yeah, nice. Didn't rip the paper. That's the main thing. I mean, I stick it down and it looks like it's going to be straight, and then it just curls up and I can't help it. And it changes shape, and I'm going to say it's not my fault. I can't stick things down properly. So that can go there. And curl the page where I ripped it up. And then clean. I need a clean. This can be my clean there, because there is always something that needs cleaning in the house. And then I will use these little tabs. If I can stick them on straight. Oh, I actually can. These can go there. So in my bullet journal, I have like a cleaning tracker that has everything down to the smallest detail of what needs cleaning in the house. Is that equal distance? Probably not. And then what I can do here, that's where I can keep track of what's been done. But then here I can write, right, this week I need to do a deep clean in the kitchen, or the upstairs bathroom needs sorting. I can actually go into more detail about what it is that needs being done. And then I can target what I'm doing that week. So that's that side done and dusted. Now on this side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the weekend over the top there. And then I'm just going to decorate it by adding some tabs in. I've seen some people doing the tabs this way, like that. I don't know if you can see that. Rather than the normal way, like a flag. Do I try this way this week? Or do I go that way? This way or that way? Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to stick to the way I normally do it. And basically all I'm going to do is just dot them around. It just adds some more colour to the spread, makes it fun. I'm going to add this little sticker here, pyjamas all day. I should add it at the bottom because that's where pyjamas all day is going to happen, but I won't. I will add it up here purely because that's this will be my life column, and I'm pretty sure nothing will be happening during the week. It's normally the weekend when I've got things going on. So it's not too much of a problem if that box is completely covered over. And then what I will do is I'll keep this kit in this folder, and then that will stay with me during the week. And then if I need to add more tabs, or I want some of these stickers, like this week, dinners. I mean, I should add dinners to the top there. So I know that's dinners there. Like if I need to add to buy somewhere, I can. I mean, the to buy would be quite nice somewhere on this as like a food shopping list. Maybe I need to look at how I can add that in next week. That would look quite nice somewhere. I'm not sure where. I'll have to play with it and see. Okay, I think that is about it. You've got some icons still there, which I will use as I fill it in. I will stick these down on the days that bills are due. I don't think I'll need any more of them, so I can add that to my reusable sticker album, and I'll use them another time. And same with the bits here. I will keep these just in case I do need them throughout the week. And then by the end of the week, if I didn't use them, they'll go into my reusable sticker album and I will use them elsewhere. So that's that. All I need to do now is add the scripts there and dates there. I'm going to quickly do that and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, there we have it. It is all done. This is my layout for this week. I love the colours of this. It's really nice. It's really pretty. I just added week 12 to there. I added the scripts there for work, meetings and live. I need to get a script for that. I don't know if I actually want to call it live or something else. I don't know. Then I've got the date dots there. So yeah, all I will do now is I'll look at my work calendar and add in work stuff happening, any meetings, and then anything that I know that's going on. Like I've got a hair appointment on Saturday, so I'll add that there. And then I'll plan out my meals. I will plan out my lunches, plan what I want to track this week as my two main focuses, get some to-dos in, and plan what needs cleaning for next week. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I really enjoy using these sticker kits. Again, if you want to use my discount code, it's Bojo by Chloe 30, and that will get you 30% off and my freebie. So make sure you check it out. I'll see you all again soon, guys. Bye, everyone.